So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the video opacity here in Visme. So once you're into Visme, make sure you go to the left-hand side of your screen and it goes without saying, you have to add a video to your design. So we're gonna go to the media tab right here on the left-hand side of your screen, press on media, and then where it says search videos, or you can go back and just press on videos. You can actually view a whole bunch of videos right here of some stock videos or whatever. So we're just gonna scroll down, and how about we view a stock video of technology right here. So this video right here, we're gonna use this as a demonstration video. So we'll just make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you wanted to edit the video opacity, so you wanted to make it maybe a little bit more transparent or whatever, it's pretty straightforward. Simply press on the video, go to this top right option right here to where it says animate, align, effects, actions, arrange, etc. What I want you to do is actually press on the effects button right here. So simply just press on effects. Once you press on effects, the opacity bar will come up right below it. So as of right now, it's at 100, out of 100 opacity, so it's not see-through whatsoever. If you wanted to make it more transparent or more see-through, slide this bar a little bit more to the left, and then you can make it more transparent, but the video will still play as normal without changing it or altering it whatsoever. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the video opacity here in Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.